is pretty much the home screen of the application. A very easy application to use. What this does is pretty much subtitles your videos in seconds. But do keep in mind, videos cannot be longer than 5 seconds. Pretty much using AI to do it for you. So all you have to do once you open the application, you can tap on generate subtitles. Once you've done that, it will ask you to select your video that you want to do. You can either go into gallery or folder, document section here to find the video. But I will just tap on my gallery option here and select this video. So do keep in mind, you do get 150 credits per day for free, so you can pretty much try the applications and so forth. But some of the features may need subscription. So down here, as you can see, the required amount of credits that's going to be needed to pretty much generate the subtitles for this video. And all I have to do is tap on get subtitles, and it will pretty much start generating the subtitle of this video. But do keep in mind, this video doesn't have any speech or anything like that, so no subtitles will be generated. But however, as you can see here, it's already finished. Here you can do some edits, so raise the background, you can change the color and so forth, alignment. You can adjust the text size of the subtitles, as you can see here. So let me see if I can go ahead. And I can adjust and pretty much see where the other subtitles are by using this. So all of these other features that require you a subscription. So if I do talk on it, it would also the subscription page. As you can see here, what's the bigger thing as VScribe subscription and their prices. We have a weekly subscription, which is for $7, and we have the yearly subscription, which is for $50. So if you have any video under 5 minutes, you'll be easily able to pretty much just select the video that you want to create the subtitles for, and it will pretty much use AI and do it for you very quickly. As well as you can see here, they do always have the option of discounts, so do make sure to look out for that. But on the home screen, if you're looking for a subscription page, you can go at the top here, which is Pro, and you'll be able to find their subscription page. So very decent and straightforward application for video subtitles. And if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and see if we can help you. See you in the next one.